Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can convert PNG files into icon files. Icons are useful for application shortcuts or websites. First go to Perl.g website, download PNG to icon converter. After you download and install it, you can open the app. You can choose the preset. For instance, if you are making Windows application, you can just choose all sizes, drag and drop icon and press convert. Choose desktop, save, and it will output icon file on the desktop. Same goes to other formats. For instance, if you want favicon for website, you may not want to add last two options, so choose this preset and press convert, and it will do the same and create icon from PNG file. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.